It's April 2023 and a trio of new EMD GWB class roll through the platform at Mount Lofty Station. The leading unit, 102, was delivered in July 22, with the two trailing units, 05 and 06, being delivered in March 23, just a few weeks before my visit. The crisp afternoon sun gently warms the back of the Westinghouse searchlights. At the base of the signal, the ever-reliable Westinghouse M23A switch machine takes care of turnout duties. We're shifting locations and setting up just round the curve underneath the pine trees to catch units 5 and 6, working hard with a loaded grain train. These new locomotives are GT46C ACEs and feature 16-cylinder 710 prime movers rated at 4,300 horsepower. Basically an SD70 Ace.